Break my line, dude.
Break your line.
Break my fucking pole.
Oh, you got his legs.
Yeah. I had him in his mouth and I got the leg.
Well, free him.
I can't help.
Well, grab him.
I ain't grabbing that big bastard.
What the fuck, dude?
That's a fucking snapper turtle. Oh, he's about to...
No, you just grab his hind leg. He ain't gonna get you.
Grab it.
Fuck.
Fucking Asian cocksucker.
You want me to film, motherfucker?
You give me your phone.
And you want me to grab it?
Yeah. I'm not grabbing that bastard. Here, I'll hold your rod, dude.
Fuck you. Nobody touches my rod.
I'm not John, man.
Here.
Oh, he's gonna break my pole.
Come here. Oh, you got this fucking good. Oh,
Look at how he's
that
looking at
fucking
you.
line is fucking holding up too. Come here, buddy. I'll free you, motherfucker.
Oh, he's gonna bite you, dude.
Oh, I'm drunk. Don't bite. Ah, shit.
Oh, shit. Yeah. Babe, I got you a turtle. I had to let him go, though. He was big.
We got some fucking beer up in there, huh? Shit. Bush light. Hairy bush light.
We're rednecking it today.
Yes, sir. No fucking fish at goddamn Gardner. But caught 16 crappie keepers over at Hillsdale earlier.
Caught 6 fish, not one of them was a keeper.
Fuck you.
Except for the buffalo. I did catch the biggest fish of the day, though. And the biggest turtle of the day.
You. No crappie.
No crappies. Though.
Keeper. I caught 16 keeper.
Bit my hook, too. That's some fucking tough-ass 4-pound line, ain't it?
Hell yeah. It's worth every fucking $25.